We're back on halftime with some big moves from the investment committee. Kevin, you just bought Intel and added to Boeing. So I guess let's start with Boeing first.
Yeah, this is the second time in 3 weeks, Courtney, where we've added to Boeing. I don't look at this anymore as a turnaround story. If you think of a company that could do just about everything wrong year after year, and maybe that's also indicative of Intel, which we'll get to next. But here's a situation where it's not a turnaround story or recovery story. It's a real investment. The stock was up 22.5% last year. People are getting it right. They're looking at quality over just volume. They're making sure that the efficiency is there. The 737 MAX, the 787, the orders are there. The backlog is there. It's just about getting it right, moving forward. You also have defense and aerospace. So I like the stock for 26 as well, and that's why we added to it.
Starting out on a good note for you today, up more than 3%. That's quite a move on a day when the market is relatively flat. Weiss, you own FTAI Aviation here, so not Boeing, but just to sort of dig deeper into this aerospace play.
Yeah, it's been a phenomenal stock for me. They signed a deal. I mentioned this on the air Wednesday. They gave about $2.5 billion in balance sheet, which allows them for their lending book and for their maintenance book. But with lending book, when you have capital, obviously you can leverage off it, and that's what they've been doing. So as aerospace, that's one of the reasons I bought it, and I also still believe in the aerospace industry, despite Boeing's troubles when I bought it. So I think it continues to move, and now we're turning some of their engines and the latest move into gas turbines. That's going to take a whole nother level of performance for them. And this is really an under the radar stock. You can mention it to people, mention it to 10 people, and they'll have no idea what you're talking about. So it's got a lot of potential buying power.
Another decent mover today. Look at that, up 5%. That and Boeing. Who would have thought, huh?
It's rotating. Yeah. It's a wild day. Like I started off this morning.
Well, it's not that. It was news that came on. If you take a look at what it did if you take a look at what it did on Friday, if you have the chart there, it also had a pretty significant move Friday. So it's over the last few weeks, it's come up from about 160. So it's just a good story. It's got, it's unique in the story. You don't see a lot of these plays. And so I think it'll continue to work. Management's pretty good, know what they're doing.
I want to move on so we don't run out of time for Kevin to talk about Intel, up 84% last year, but you're buying it now. So you think there's more room to run here?
Yeah, I wouldn't go following me into this water blindly. This is a small position that we're taking. Stock was up 84% last year. We had really left it for dead for many, many years. We haven't owned this stock in a long, long time. But if you think about it from a recovery and a potential second leg from here, you've got some pretty good investors. You've got the U.S. government. You've got NVIDIA putting $5 billion into it. Tremendous management compared to what they were previously dealing with, and multiple opportunities for income and revenue growth. So we're going to keep a short leash on it. But if it does work, if they are successful, then this stock has plenty of upside potential. But again, there's a lot of question marks there to see if it really comes to fruition.
You got some company here, too. Look at that. Intel up almost 7% on the day. We're going to get some other. Go ahead.
Yeah, Kevin, just a question with, NVIDIA's given out $50 million like you're tipping. Well, you're really cheap. But like maybe Malcolm's tipping at a parking lot. Just so much money being put out. Does it really mean anything for these, or is it just purely an option where they're not getting into the weeds and helping the companies manage and grow?
Can I just talk about your outfit and forget about the tipping? Because, come on, you're on TV.
This is style. This is style.
$5 billion is not a drop in the bucket for any company. But I think what I like more about that for real, Steve, is the fact that NVIDIA is putting money in Intel. I mean, the dollar amount's less important than the conviction. So we're putting a small amount there as well, just, again, putting the toe in the water. But I think if it does work, if NVIDIA is right, if the government's right, and if Intel can turn this thing around, the stock could be much, much higher over the next few years. So we're thinking it more of an investment than a trade.